In this video, I'll guide you through how to measure distance on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a road trip, a hiking adventure, or simply curious about the distance between 2 points, Google Maps offers a straightforward way to measure distances. You don't need any special tools or advanced technical skills, just your computer and an internet connection. Let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This is where you'll start your journey to measuring distances. Google Maps is a powerful tool and its interface is designed to be user friendly, so don't worry if you're not particularly tech savvy. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, find the location where you want to start measuring your distance. This will be your point A. It could be your home, a landmark, or any other significant spot you have in mind. Now, using your mouse, right click on this starting point. Right clicking is crucial because it brings up a menu of options specific to that location on the map. Next, from the menu that appears after right clicking, select the option labeled Measure Distance. This feature is specifically designed for calculating the distance between two or more points. Once you click on it, you'll notice that your first point, point A, is now marked with a small white circle with a black outline. This indicates that the measurement tool is active and ready to use. Now it's time to choose your destination or point B. Simply move your mouse to the location where you want to measure the distance to and click. This could be any place on the map, from a nearby park to a city on the other side of the country. As soon as you click, a line will appear connecting point A to point B, and the distance between the 2 points will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Google Maps automatically provides the measurement in the most commonly used unit in your region, but you can easily switch between miles and kilometers by clicking on the distance display. If you want to measure a route with more than 2 points, you can continue clicking additional locations on the map. Each new click adds a new segment to the measurement, and Google Maps will update the total distance accordingly. This is particularly useful for planning multi-stop trips or understanding the full length of a winding trail. And that's it. You've successfully measured the distance on Google Maps. You can easily clear your measurements by clicking the X next to the distance label or by right-clicking and selecting Clear Measurement from the menu. This will allow you to start fresh if you need to measure another distance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Measuring distances with Google Maps is a simple yet powerful way to plan and navigate your journeys. Feel free to experiment with different points and see what you discover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.